Just take out the suitcase. Are you ready to go fly in your flight?
No.
Manila Airport. What's up, guys? Sina is traveling. We're traveling now.
Going back
To the ice country. Ayan, guys.
Yes, guys. So we are now on the way to the airport. We have 14 minutes left of our travel. So, do you have any travel thoughts?
No.
I don't know. It's so hot.
Yeah.
Are you? How many hours is your flight?
19. Just one.
Total.
Total 25.
What on earth?
Are you prepared? Have you got everything you need for the flight? Movies?
I don't know what I have.
Just see. Yeah.
About 2 sådana bagage.
Yeah. Just take out the suitcase. Are you ready to go fly in your flight?
No.
Manila Airport. Sina, are you excited?
No.
You're not? Ira, are you excited your sister will go?
No.
You sad? Oy, Sina, Leah is sad. Goodbye. Will you miss Philippines?
That's the reason why my friends told us that. Every time they're talking someone,
Just not that.
I
Better.
don't care.
If it will be snow there, you will miss this weather.
But it's hot home too.
Yeah,
so it's not bad.
It's summer now.
Summer.
So that's why they gonna back.
Now she's ready. Ready to bye-bye Philippines. It's your first Asia, right? It's your first Asia vacation. Bye-bye, Sina. Ada. Bye-bye. She was crying, no? So, ayun guys, na-send na natin si Sina at yep, pauwi na rin tayo guys. Sad guys, no? Hope na makabalik din si Sina dito guys. Kaya, let's go guys, pauwi na tayo. Guys, nakauwi na rin naka-travel na si Sina at gabi na rin at andun na siya sa Manila guys since 3 p.m. no? 3 p.m. na sa Manila na siya at may layover siya sa Manila for 5 hours guys. 5 hours.
Okay. Her flight is leaving now in I think 30 minutes. She's going to Taiwan, and just very fast just to get other passengers, and then directly to Amsterdam.
Yeah.
She will be arriving back in Norway tomorrow. Yeah, afternoon.
So,
Oh no, morning, 11 a.m. Norwegian time.
yup. So, pauwi na din siya doon. Mga bukas siguro ng hapon guys, makarating na siya sa Norway. Ayun, so, ayun guys, so thank you sa journey natin with Sina.
Yes.
It's a journey with Sina last time, and then, yup, nag-enjoy talaga kami. We enjoy Ira, no, that Sina was here.
Yeah, of
and we
course.
miss her also.
Of course.
Yeah, because it's been a month also with her.
Yeah.
And yep, hope next time we can meet her again. Hopefully that will be in Norway, no?
Yeah, it's gonna be in Norway. She's not gonna come back here. Unfortunately for all her Filipino suitors.
Yeah.
But just message her. She's also been active in the comments, so
Yeah.
you know where to find her if you just check the comments.
Walking. Mountain Dew. In the back, because you are a pure Filipina. Tapos na kaming mag-walking. We just done walking. And then we also get some little stuff from Sina's house. And we also pay her utilities. Binayaran namin yung kuryente at tubig niya din doon. At yan. So, we also miss Sina, right?
Yeah.
It is also when we drive back from airport going back home to the city, we
Feels
also
so empty,
feel
no?
so empty because Sina was not
Something
there.
missing.
Because
Yeah.
when Sina was there, the car, we just always talking. And my sister is also there, but we are not used to it because Sina always talk, and I always also say something to Sina, or palagi kong pina-introduce sa Sina kung ano yung meron natin dito. Sinasabi ko, oh yan, kitaan mo na ba yan? Ganyan. So, na-miss
always-
din namin.
Always bullying me, both of you.
Yeah, we also always bully Ira, and then we also laugh. We have a lot of experience in the car. So, it's fun. So, hopefully guys, Sina can also come back here and see more the Philippines kasi hindi niya masyadong nakita yung Pinas, guys.
And find her a Filipino lover. Chat Sina, guys, and maybe she will come back for one of you.
Yeah. So, if gusto niyo ma-chat si Sina, open din si Sina. If gusto niyo siyang ma-chat, ito yung account
Her
niya.
Facebook.
Salamat pala sa paggabay at pagsama at panonood sa journey natin kasama si Sina. At we are happy that Sina was also included to our vlog, and it been part of
People
us.
like her.
Yeah, people like her. Thank you guys sa pag-welcome.
Making
Thank you.
her feel welcome also.
Yeah.
She always also read your comments. She liked to watch the comments. That's why you can see in the beginning she's not so comfortable, but you guys really made her feel welcome and comfortable, and after all, she really is comfortable in the camera as well.
Yeah.
So thank you for welcoming her.
Salamat talaga sa pag-welcome ni Sina, guys. Grabe yung nabigay nyo din confidence sa kanya kasi start ng mga maganda talaga yung mga comment nyo, ganyan. Happy talaga siya at iba din talaga yung pag-treat ng mga Pilipino. Nag-notice niya talaga na ang bait ng mga tao din ng mga Pilipino. She also see the different of the Filipino here, right? Filipino here is also kind. They also kind, guys. May nare-receive din siyang mga ganyan. So, salamat talaga sa inyong lahat, guys. Hopefully, guys, ma-explore pa to ni Sina next time, guys. Hopefully, gusto niyang bumalik dito.
See more like
At
backpacking.
See more.
That is our plan. My
More.
friend, she will go back for backpacking.
Bago natin tapusin tong vlog, gusto namin nyo, guys, please follow our
Facebook page.
Please support us there, guys. We will
Yes,
also...
we're also very active there.
Yeah. Active na
So,
kami dyan sa Facebook page namin at magpo-post kasi kami parati din mga reels, ganyan. So, support nyo, guys, at please
If you
huwag
want
nyo
to
na
see
kalimutan
some
i-share. Padami kami dun sa Facebook page natin, guys. Kaya, gusto nyo kaming subaybayan, manood din kayo sa Facebook page natin. Please follow na lang and share and like na din. So, ayun, guys. Pero bago natin itong tapusin itong vlog na to, shout out na muna tayo. So, shout out pala kay Bim. Thank you sa pagpanonood at shout out dyan sa taga PhilHealth Rob Padilla. Especially kay
Tito Fred.
So, shout out and thank you. Second shout out, guys. Shout out kay Wayne Iman.
North Luzon, Province La Union.
And also, shout out sa pinsan niya na taga Norway. Congrats! third shoutout guys. Shoutout din kay Grace Campbell. Greeting from America. Wow, nagmating na rin talaga yung mga videos na sa Amerika, no? Shoutout. Thank you sa panonood. Thank you for watching us.
Shout out.
Fourth shoutouts guys. Grabe sweet talaga ng comment niya. Very sweet comment, Ira, no?
I really wanted to shout out this one specifically because we get a lot of kind comments, but this one really like he really took the time and effort to write each of us a sweet comment dedicated to each of us.
Yeah.
So
shout out to her.
I think it's
Sunrise.
him.
Ayun.
Sunrise 53.
Oh. So shout out po sa iyo. Thank you po talaga sa support at sa magandang comment talaga. Appreciate talaga namin lahat ng mga comments you guys. Kaya thank you talaga sa mga comments niyo. Proud na proud kami sa inyo guys. Thank you for watching us guys at subay-subaybay at update lang kayo parati sa mga vlog natin guys kasi hindi tayo hinto hanggat nandyan kayo. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.